my god, I look so tired. So the wrap is mine, Mediterranean doner.
It looks good.
And you get the street style fries, right? It works.
Anything else?
Oh, look this. Peach mint sangria. This doner is so good. It's like one of the best doners I've had. So this is Sharon's birthday month continued.
This style of fries is so popular now. Sweet potato fries with like stuff on it.
Looks good. Maybe I would like that. I want to give it a try because I usually don't like sweet potato fries, but maybe with all the toppings it'll be good. I don't like sweet potato fries by themselves, but when it has toppings, somehow it's good. What do you think about those waffle fries?
I think about these waffle fries, they're good. It's like a salad with fries.
We're here at Universal Studios.
I feel like I'm on a transformer.
We improvised here. Thanks, Cody.
Oh, look at this. They make everything in the house. Their fresh tea, green tea, and I really like that this place has loose leaf tea. They serve you fresh brewed loose leaf tea here, which is great. Most places just give you a tea bag. Oh wow, I can't wait to try this. Look at this tasty, delicious. It's Angus barbecue beef. Alright guys, day 2 of Universal Studios theme park.
What food I am serving?
Hey, it's me, Krusty! The line's almost over. 45 more minutes. Longer it is. So here to entertain you. Oh, Kid the Suit! No, Bob, and he used to work for me. For some reason, he hates me.
Tired. This garlic pepper chicken is amazing. And a bed of rice is like probably the best Thai food I've had in like years. That's pad Thai, right?
Noodles are so bad.